Every McDonald's fry begins here, pulled from the earth at first light. Fresh McDonald's potatoes are separated from soil before the journey begins. Tons of McDonald's potatoes gather in minutes. The buns that hold every McDonald's burger start in fields like these. Precision harvest protects the quality of McDonald's flour. Responsible ranching supplies the beef behind every McDonald's burger. Strict standards guide every McDonald's beef selection. Controlled environments ensure consistency for McDonald's chicken.
Automation maintains balanced growth for McDonald's chicken supply.
From soil, field, ranch, and farm, the McDonald's supply chain begins its journey.
Fresh McDonald's potatoes leave the fields within hours of harvest. Convoys synchronize the movement of McDonald's ingredients toward processing. McDonald's wheat moves directly to controlled milling facilities. Every McDonald's beef shipment follows strict regulated routes. Temperature control protects McDonald's chicken at every mile. All roads lead to one integrated McDonald's production system. Every McDonald's shipment is verified before entry. Precision weighing ensures accountability for every McDonald's load. Each McDonald's ingredient enters a specialized processing stream. The transformation of McDonald's ingredients begins inside. Inside the McDonald's factory, raw harvest meets engineered precision. The journey continues beneath the surface of the McDonald's facility. Scale defines the rhythm of the McDonald's production floor. Controlled milling protects the texture of McDonald's bread. Strict hygiene standards define McDonald's beef production. Cold chain control safeguards McDonald's protein supply. Automation prepares McDonald's chicken for transformation. Data coordinates every stage of McDonald's production. Now, the first true refinement of McDonald's ingredients begins. Water strips away the final traces of the field from McDonald's potatoes. Density separation protects the integrity of McDonald's processing lines. Precision drying prepares McDonald's potatoes for inspection. Vision systems evaluate every McDonald's potato in milliseconds. Human oversight reinforces McDonald's quality standards. Clean grain ensures consistency in every McDonald's bun. Airflow purification refines McDonald's flour to exact standards. Controlled temperature preserves the integrity of McDonald's beef. Consistency defines the foundation of McDonald's chicken products. With cleaning complete, McDonald's ingredients move toward transformation. Uniform slicing defines the signature shape of McDonald's fries. Water transport protects the structure of McDonald's fries. Blanching stabilizes the color of McDonald's fries. Controlled drying prepares McDonald's fries for partial cooking. Par frying builds the foundation of McDonald's crisp texture. Instant freezing preserves the quality of McDonald's fries. Grinding ensures uniform texture for McDonald's beef patties. Precision forming creates the signature McDonald's beef patty. Blended consistency defines McDonald's chicken nuggets. Shaping completes the core structure of McDonald's chicken nuggets.
Layer by layer, McDonald's chicken nuggets gain their signature coating. The crisp texture of McDonald's nuggets begins with precision breading.
Controlled frying seals flavor into every McDonald's nugget. Excess oil is removed to maintain McDonald's consistency. Rapid freezing preserves the structure of McDonald's nuggets. McDonald's beef patties are stabilized for long-distance distribution. Automation maintains uniformity in every McDonald's beef batch. Every McDonald's fry meets exact dimensional standards. Flour transforms into the foundation of every McDonald's bun. Uniform portions ensure identical McDonald's buns across the globe. Controlled fermentation gives every McDonald's bun its rise. Precise baking defines the texture of every McDonald's bun. Cooling preserves the softness inside each McDonald's bun. Uniform slicing ensures consistency across every McDonald's sandwich. ARM is active, monitoring for sync. Data intelligence synchronizes the entire McDonald's production ecosystem. Automation measures every gram of McDonald's fries with precision. Automation measures every gram of McDonald's fries with precision. Vision systems maintain the recognizable shape of McDonald's nuggets. Safety systems guard every McDonald's beef patty. Robotic precision ensures uniform McDonald's packaging preparation. Every McDonald's product now converges toward its final form. Measured portions of McDonald's fries are sealed for global distribution. Every McDonald's fry package is tested before boxing. Automated wrapping protects every McDonald's nugget portion. Exact weight compliance maintains McDonald's consistency. Sealed trays preserve the freshness of McDonald's beef patties. Traceability defines modern McDonald's food production. Soft McDonald's buns are secured for transport without compression. Each McDonald's product is boxed with engineered efficiency. Secure sealing prepares McDonald's products for shipment. Precision stacking brings McDonald's products closer to global markets. Before shipment, McDonald's products undergo strict quality sampling. Every McDonald's batch is verified under controlled laboratory conditions. Texture consistency defines the McDonald's fry experience. Precise oil balance ensures uniform McDonald's nugget quality. Microbial safety remains central to McDonald's beef production. Moisture control protects the softness of McDonald's buns. Equipment calibration guarantees McDonald's food safety systems. Sealing strength secures every McDonald's shipment. Only approved McDonald's batches move toward distribution. With approval granted, McDonald's products advance to dispatch. Approved McDonald's products now move toward controlled storage. Cold chain integrity preserves McDonald's protein products. Digital tracking organizes every McDonald's batch for dispatch.
Integrated logistics prepare McDonald's products for global delivery.
Stability during transport protects every McDonald's shipment. From warehouse to vehicle, McDonald's logistics remains seamless. Each McDonald's truck carries synchronized supply. With documentation cleared, McDonald's products leave the facility. From raw harvest to final dispatch, McDonald's production is a continuous system. And this is how modern factories produce McDonald's food from start to finish.